Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today, exciting videos. I want to showcase one of my favorite design kits I have made this year. It's called the Roman Empire. In this video, we're gonna have some chit chats about what's the plan for us because we are flying to Italy next week. Keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay, guys, welcome back on the desk. Today, we are going to be playing with one of my favorite digital paper I have designed this year. It's called the Roman Empire. And the reason why it's one of my favorite, just checking the desk, is because it's inspired by the lovely country I was born in. Yes. Sorry, guys, I had to drink. Sorry about that. I got a candle here, and it's very sunny, it's very warm in here today, so I've got a bit of dry mouth. So yeah, so this kit has been designed thinking of and celebrating the glorious Roman Empire. I've not seen anything like it. Honestly, I just had a quick look at Etsy and other websites, so I never seen anybody doing anything like it. So I'm hoping that it's quite this kit's quite unique. I love it, guys. I absolutely love it. So here we got, it's quite a lot of pages. It's a really big kit, and there is a lot of things. There is like papers, tags, gift boxes, all sorts, but I'll show you. So first page is here with the Leonardo man, and I don't really know what you can see on the screen, but this is the Italy map. So basically, me and Jamie are going to Italy this Friday. So we flying in the afternoon, and we're going to be there for a week. We're looking at more properties we want to buy. We're going to spend some time with my mum and dad and some friends and family. So very nice 10 days of a break. We are hoping to be able to make an offer this time, and then when we're going back in July, we're probably gonna sort out the paperwork and speak with the surveyor and solicitors and all of that. So we're very, very excited. We got a property to go back and look at, as I told you guys on the videos on Monday when I was chit-chatting a lot. So if you missed that video, please go and have a look. And also we got a couple of more properties to view. They just came up in the market. The house we want to buy is quite a big house, and we want to split into two. So one for me and Jamie to live there permanently, and the other half to do like a boutique holiday rental for you guys to come and stay with us. Because where I'm from is very rural, it's seaside, and it's a beautiful, beautiful village. And I will take you around as well. So I'll show you the beauty of my country. Right, so chatting way too much than I should. So I'm just using a brush. Don't know why I pick up a brush, but I'm hoping that you can see. So this is Italy. You see that? And then that's Sicily and that's Sardinia. Can you see that? So this is the north of Italy. That's Roma. That is my region, this one there. And where I'm from, it's literally there in a little tip, literally close to Africa and Tunisia, kind of, and the Greek islands as well. So hence why my village there is, they got lots of influence from the Greek as well, of course, as the Roman. So I'm a proper southern boy, literally there. You can't go any further any southern than that. It's beautiful, really beautiful. Right, Antonio, 3 minutes, so you've not done anything, but I just want to give a little intro. So second page, we got some more statues. Cupid, we got the Colosseum, and that's, oh Antonio, you could have shown this. So that's Italy. That's two islands. That's my region. That's where I'm from, the very bottom there. Then love it. These three are three embellishments. Again, I've not seen anything like it. So very colorful, very floral, very me. Taking inspiration from the Versace logo as well. And then you got some more. You can do like some really, in fact, what we're going to do next video, we're going to do some postcards, some full vintage postcards. We're going to use those too. We're going to use some of these embellishments. We might do a little collage. Got a couple of ideas I want to do with this kit. Big page with the Colosseum, and I mounted it on some floral paper, some I can't remember what god is this, but it was a Roman god. And then I just put some flowers because it wouldn't be me without some flowers. Black and white embellishment, so you can fussy cut. There's Medusa, there's Zeus, Venus, and some more embellishments. So if you make like a Roman journal, that will look amazing. Again, I'm not seeing anything, so if you do get a Roman, if you make a Roman journal, you will sell it, because I'm not seeing anything like it. Some fabulous tags with some Venus embellishment. There is the helmet from the Roman and the 3 muses. And then I just put a collage again with Italy, just in case you forget what Italy looks like. But honestly, just a collage of different embellishment. Is a black and white gladiator on the background. These actually, I hope you can see. Can you see this one here? This was a very old coin. We don't, of course, we got euros now in Italy, but it's called lira. So before Italy joined the EU and had the euro as a currency, we used to have lira. This is the very old one. Of course, there would be a few more versions after that, but we used to have a currency called lira. I barely remember because I was little when we had that, but yeah, so that's our old currency. And then there's famous Vespa and some more, and I just put some lovely flower. I'm really happy with this kit. It's again, sorry I keep going on and on about it, but I think I would like to believe it's very unique. And then just put some tags. Then you've got a full page with an envelope, so that's a scallop envelope and 2 squared envelopes. I give you a full page. You can probably see it this way. Why is this so zoom out? Okay, this is a very old Roman map from Rome, so I play with the colors, so that's what you get. This will look nice as a journal cover, or as if you do like a big envelope. And then you've got another page again with the Italy, with a map of Italy. And then I just put on the background some measurement tapes just to give it that vintage look. And I use this really nice, because there's a lot of greens. The color palette of this kit is green, pink and gold. So you see there's a lot of pink and green going around. So I tried to keep these palette. There is a lot of gold in here on these colors, so that's the main color. And then last but not least is a page when you got a pillow box and some more embellishment. Okay, so what I thought we're going to do today, I want to play with some of this and create some circle tags with a little pocket, and we're going to use some of this embellishment just to create some more interest into it. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, I want the back of the tags to have those 3 embellishment. So the size of the tags with the pocket would be this one. Now when I print my kits, and well, first of all to show you, and B to see what I'm going to do, I have no clue what I'm going to make with it. So I always print my kit on copy paper, because you know, sometimes I make things that don't need to be on cardstock, sometimes I do. Now if you follow what I'm gonna make today, and if you get the kit, I suggest print this paper on a thicker cardstock or a thicker paper. So because what I'm going to do, I'm going to fussy cut those 3 and glue them on a really thick cardstock, because I want my tags to be really steady, to be really kind of like, yeah, like very strong, very steady. So I'm gonna cut those 3, and then so that will be the back. The front of it, I think I am going to play with this one. So same size, I'm going to cut, so I'm going to use that as a template and draw 3 circles on here. And what we need to do as well, guys, you need to, which I'll show you in a minute, you've got to cut another circle of that and chopped it in half, but I'll do that in a moment. These are the 3 discs that we just cut. They will make really nice ATC coins. So if you do artist trading cards with like a circle shape, they are perfect. And also you can use them as an embellishment for your journal. You know, if you put gold or silver on the back, you can just pretend they are just coins. I love them, absolutely love them, love them, love them, love them. So first cut those. Then I thought this one is gonna be in on the front of this one, so I literally draw a circle. This one, because it's pinkish, so blue and blue, pink and pink, so that is going to be on the front of that. And this one, that lovely David, it's going to be on the front of that one because it's orange. Okay, so I'm going to cut these 3 more circles. So literally what I did, put it on top and then draw a circle, just trace it. Okay guys, so what I've done, I glued them, 6 of them. This is a very old Stampin' Up cardstock. So the front has got the butterflies and the back it's got these really striky stripes. And the reason why I've chosen this, because on the 3 colourful, I'm going to call them coins so we know what we're talking about. You will see them. Let me show you. What I'm going to do, right, I'm going to cut them all again. Remember, you don't have to do this step if you print those into a cardstock. But if you like me, that you like crazy contrast, put your hands up if you like crazy contrast, because I do love to see things that clashes together, like very colorful floral things with stripes, with geometric, or black and white things with colorful things blended together. So I love contrast like that, but I'm fully aware that is not everybody's cup of tea. So if you like things that match, what you can do, you can print this on paper like I did and glue that into blue cardstock or orange cardstock or purple cardstock. So the back of your coin will be plain purple or plain blue or plain orange. But mine is going to be crazy because the back of it is going to be these really nice stripes. Okay, so I've got the pairs. So I've got purple, blue and orange. Okay, so this is the back and that is going to be the front. Okay, so just need to make sure that they are in the right way. Let me just check. So the face is there, the face is there, and the face is there. Okay, so this one we're just gonna chop it. Now it depends how big your pocket you want it to be. I think I'm just gonna go like that, and I don't care if it's not straight, but again, if you are a bit, if things are not straight and not perfect that bothers you, then I suggest use a trimmer, but I'm not, so I'm just gonna go with the flow. So that's that, and we're just gonna chop that there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just get me the glue. So you can save these little bits and pieces for something else if you want, but I'm not. So what we're gonna do is just gonna put a tiny teeny little glue around the line of that, and then we're just going to glue that on top. Now don't worry if it doesn't match perfectly, because I think I'm going to distress this with some black. I'm just going to go all over with the black because I want quite a bit of vintagey look, like a bit of retro. Okay, and we're going to do the same on the other 2. So just going to put a teeny bit of glue. They're super cute because what you can do, you can either put treats in these pockets or even some coins, like real coins, and put it in an envelope. So honestly, you can do anything that you fancy with these. And then one more. So I'm just going to put the glue in here. just in there. And then let me just check where this is head. There. Again, don't worry if it doesn't match up, because we're going to chop that in a minute. Okay, so where's my... Oh, my desk is a mess. Where is... I can see the ink. So I've got the... I'm using the black soot ink. And I just need to find my finger spongy thing, which I think they are buried somewhere on the desk. Okay, so just literally gonna distress it all. Okay, there you have it. So that's our tags. Now this is my mini faux stamps that you keep seeing me have it showcased in several videos, because they are super cute ephemera holders. So that's the front, that's the back. Because or what you can do, you can use some of the ephemera that is on the kit and use that here if you wanted to. The little nice floating tags, little pocket. We can either use her, you can either glue that as a background if you wanted to. How cute that look, because there's a statue there. Or you can either use it there with some coin. Again, because this kit is all kind of like having the same inspiration, everything that you're going to make is going to match, because again, it's the same theme, it's the same story, but you can you know, use different things and add different bits and pieces. So I know it clashes, but I kind of like it that. So yeah, I just hope I give you some ideas. What am I going to do? I might make a little card as well, and I'll show you in just a moment. That's the card I made. Very, very simple. It's just literally layer of gold and this really deep purple cardstock. And I have used this one, which is actually from the tags. So you don't have to use this as tags. You can use them as whatever. I mean, they have been designed to be used as tags, but you can be a rebel and do anything that you want. And for her, I have used this page here, which is the page with all the ephemera. So it's her. What I was thinking, if you want to do those, you can either fussy cut all this ephemera and put in your pocket, or you can use that circle to be your main tag, but they're quite small. I mean, this one here measure, I'll tell you in inches first. So this is literally 3 inches. In centimeters, just under 8, and those ones are, oops, it's 2 inches, 2.5 inches, sorry. No, sorry, 2.25, which in centimeters is 6. Okay, so they are slightly smaller. If I put them together, you can see they're slightly smaller. Okay, but you've got a page full of ephemera that you can just cut and put it in the tags that we made today if you wanted to. Okay, and that's the little card. Love it. I'm just gonna put a white cardstock there and just write a little message. Yeah, honestly guys, it's just very, very simple, and that's it. I hope I give you some ideas. As usual guys, all the links or the paper will be down below. If you wish to support me and buy the kit, that would be much appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And today's shout out goes to the lovely Kim. Kim, like myself, she loves butterflies. She left a really, really lovely comment on my Facebook group. So thank you so much, Kim. Your kindness is always much appreciated. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I appreciate a big thumbs up for 2 reasons. Because 1 is super nice, and 2, you telling YouTube that you like what I made, and it really helps with the algorithm. Guys, I've done tons of videos about this sort of like tags, pockets, storage holder. I will put a link here on the screen, guys. So if you have time, if you want to watch it, give you some more ideas, yeah, it's much appreciated. Guys, I will see you Friday for a special Friday freebie, and until then, stay safe and well. Bye.